Alright, today I want to quickly show you 3 things I believe before blogging, but they are absolutely a myth. I started blogging business far back as 2013, but that time I launched a website which I spent a lot of money on. But quickly, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to show you those things that people believe, but they're actually absolutely myths that you don't actually need to believe it. First one, buying expensive hosting plan. Do you have to buy it? You don't have to. You can go for a very cheap hosting plan and your website will have a good rank on Google. People believe that it is a must that you buy hosting plan on Bluehost, GoDaddy and all these popular hosting websites, but you can go for a cheap plan as a beginner without tearing pockets. There are hosting plan domain name that you can buy for as low as $1 per month, that you just have to spend just $1 per month on your hosting plan without tearing your pocket. So if you're a beginner, you can go for that. I will leave the link for any cheap plan. You have Namecheap, Abolios. We have a lot of cheap plans that you can go for, so I will leave the link under this video, below this video. All right, second one, do you have to be a graphic designer? Some people believe it's a must, I must be a graphic designer before you can start a blogging business. No, these days there are a lot of online software that you can play around with, that you can work with and create a quick graphics for your web page, for your blog post that you have created. You know, it's very necessary when you create a post on your blog. It's very needful and it's necessary that you have image. You put images inside your blog post. Then people are stuck at that point, that how do I get to do that when I am writing my blog post? You don't have to be a graphic designer. With Canva, with pexels.com, you can get free images. You can use canva.com to quickly design and craft your design quickly for your blog post. So as a beginner, you don't have to be an expert as a graphic designer to start your blogging business. Third one, do you have to be a copywriter? Some people believe I must have a writing skill before I can start a blogging business. That's a absolute myth. You don't have to be a copywriter. There are a lot of tools. They call it artificial intelligence software that can generate content for you right with the click of a button. We have RYTR. People call it writer.io. You can visit their website. You can use it for free for a month, 2 months for free, but it has a limitation. You can also subscribe to it, having a premium version of the writer. We have a lot of different software that you can use to generate content automatically online without having a writing skill. So why do you have to stop? Why do you have to wait till tomorrow? Why do you have to wait till next week? Why do you have to wait till next month before you start your blogging business? You can start now with a cheap hosting plan, with a canva.com or any other graphic software online that we have online. You can start your blogging business. Likewise, you don't have to have a writing skill. With a AI tool online that anyone, you can, I don't want to, but I will leave link to those one, my favorite that I'm using. I will leave the links to them under this video, in the description under this video, so you can make use of them. Check them. The one that suits you best, you can make use of it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like it, share it, and turn on the notification button so that when next I share a video like this, you will get notified. Thank you. See you next time.